How to remove background noise from audio or video in 1 minute. Head over to the Descript AI website. Click on the second link, then click on Get Started for free. Continue with Google. Once you've created an account, you will see the interface. Open a new audio project from here. Upload your file. Within seconds, it converts the voice of your audio or video into text. As you can see that there's too much noise in our audio.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tech AI.
To remove this noise from the audio, navigate to Underlord and click on Studio Sound. Within seconds, it removes the noise from your audio. Here are the results.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tech AI.
To export the file, click on Publish. Then click on Export. Select the format. Choose where you want to save your file and click on Save. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and press that bell icon so you never miss any updates.